Why Supreme Court is not taking any decisions on final year exams? Why Supreme Court delayed the dates of the petition? Students would have to wait longer for the answer on the verdict of the final year university examination 2020. The Supreme Court hearing on the UGC's guidelines and final year examination 2020 please have been adjourned till 18th of August. Decision on whether or not the exams have been cancelled would be answered once Supreme Court declares its verdict on the UGC's case. Petitioners have asked for cancellation of final year examinations while UGC has maintained that degree cannot be awarded without examination. So let's have a look at the key takeaways from the hearing of Supreme Court. Number 1. Case was heard by a 3-judge bench of Justice Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhas Reddy and M. R. Shah. Number 2. UGC had filed its response to the Supreme Court highlighting that the states cannot give orders to cancel the examinations. It had further reiterated that examinations must be conducted to ensure and maintain the standard of education in the country. Number 3. Counsels for the petitioner presented their case to the Supreme Court. Dr. A. M. Singhvi opened the argument and presented a case that stressed on the right of the life. Contending for the safety of the students, Singhvi pointed out the disparity of the students, the concerns for intra-city travel during pandemic. Number 4. On the validity of Disaster Management Act, Singhvi added that the NDMA is applicable to every district. He also stated that the pandemic is a global concern and present special scenarios that have prohibited the right to travel, etc. In extension, he hinted on the possibility of the cancellation of the examinations as well. Number 5. Syam Diwan, representing Yuva Sena, argued on the right to life and also the MHA guidelines, which have given the states the right to enforce NDMA in a stricter measure, but not in a diluted form. Number 6. Diwan further pointed out that UGC's guidelines themselves states that they are advisory in nature and that the universities are free to choose and opt for the actual course of action. Number 7. On the questions whether Disaster Management Acts override UGC's guidelines, Diwan argued that power of the authorities is not disputed. But once the Disaster Management Act is invoked in a disaster condition and the right to life has been elevated, then the authorities cannot come in and exert power to dilute the provisions. Number 8. It was also raised that when the cases were in thousands, the exams were postponed. Now that the cases have been risen to lakhs, the exams are being conducted. He, like Singhvi, also pointed out concerns over travel. He also stated that the hostels had been converted to quarantine centers. After the argument, the Supreme Court has adjourned the matter. Hearing on it would be now resumed on 18th of August 2020. So according to you, should final year exams be cancelled or not? Share your views with us in comment section below, and for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.